some human shapes added there. Add the new shapes with each other. I will have that shape. Further keep on making the designs here. I have a new shape. Generate a design. There we have adding a paint so we can unhide the hidden shapes we can recover up there.